Well, making the ultimate sacrifice, Asian immigrant doctors who came to the United States for a better way of life now find themselves in the middle of a challenging fight against COVID-19.
Well, a devastating virus affecting not just their patients, but their colleagues as well. 13 Action News reporter Astrid Mendez tells the story of doctors and nurses lost on the front lines.
Nevada is in need of more medical professionals to help battle COVID-19 in our hospitals and clinics. Asian healthcare workers play a very important role in this fight, but the virus is also taking a great toll on them. For Dr. Sia Khan, the pandemic is personal. He's seen fellow doctors and nurses on his staff fall ill to the virus. As the numbers rise, each case takes a professional and emotional toll.
It's kind of heartbreaking, but we are doing a very good job at most of the hospitals here in coping with the situation.
Southern Nevada relies on a large number of immigrant healthcare workers for their operations. Asian doctors and nurses on the front lines fighting COVID-19, dedicating their time and effort to save people.
We are estimating that about 1 in 6 doctors is of Asian descent here in Southern Nevada. And when it comes to the nurses too, we also see a very similar dynamic with what we see in California, where there's a particular one group of people, Filipinos, who make up a large segment of the nursing population. And our estimate is also it's about 1 out of 6.
COVID-19 has hit Filipino-American nurses especially hard, making the fight against the virus even more challenging.
4% of nurses in America are Filipino nurses. But I don't know if you're aware of this statistic. 30% of the deaths of nurses have been Filipinos. A lot of these Filipino nurses are ICU and upper level nurses. And most of these COVID patients are ending up in the ICUs. That's where the exposure is occurring.
That's why health frontline workers keep asking everybody to follow COVID-19 guidelines. Even though a vaccine has already started to roll out, it will still be a long road to recovery of our health system. Astrid Mendez, 13 Action News.
Well,